Welcome to the enigmatic world of storytelling. Have you ever pondered the secret behind crafting compelling characters in your tales? Today, we delve into this intriguing subject, breaking it down into simple, manageable steps. Imagine stepping into a classroom brimming with anticipation. The focus of the day is clear: characters. The lifeblood of any story, characters are the beating heart that infuses a narrative with life, personality, and emotion. Picture a whiteboard where the words Week 2, Crafting Compelling Characters are written. This is the journey we embark on today, a journey of exploration, understanding, and creation. By the end of this session, you will have the tools to breathe life into characters that leap off the page and into the hearts of your readers. But before we dive into the depths of character creation, let's take a moment to revisit the essence of creative writing. It is the art of expressing thoughts, feelings, and emotions uniquely and imaginatively. It's about telling a story, expressing oneself, or sharing an idea. And at the heart of each story, each expression, each idea, are our characters. Now, imagine a chalkboard with the phrase, "Understanding character development" etched upon it. This is our first stop on the journey. Character development is about creating and breathing life into characters. It's about crafting individuals that feel real, with distinct personalities, goals, and motivations. What are the building blocks of a character, you ask? Consider personality, background, motivation, and flaws. These are the key elements that shape a character and make them compelling. Now picture a blank canvas in front of you. This is where your character will come to life. Take a moment to contemplate their name, age, occupation, personality traits, and deepest desires. These details are the brushstrokes that will paint a vivid portrait of your character. Imagine a character named Emily, a 30-year-old journalist with an unyielding determination to uncover the truth, regardless of the danger she may face. Emily is more than just a name and an occupation. She is a character with depth, making her engaging and relatable to the reader. Finally, envision a scene where your character comes to life. Show your audience who your character is, what they want, and the obstacles they may encounter. This scene is your character's introduction to the world, their first impression, and it is crucial in making your readers care about them. To summarize, crafting compelling characters is a journey of understanding, creation, and development. It begins with understanding the essence of creative writing and the importance of characters. It continues with the creation of a character profile, full of rich details and depth. And it culminates with the development of a scene that introduces your character to the world. Remember, the more depth you give your characters, the more engaging your story will be. So go forth and breathe life into your characters. Make them real, make them relatable, make them compelling. Your story awaits.